Updating your payout destination on PlayStation is essential for ensuring you receive your earnings correctly. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the PlayStation website or open the PlayStation app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile menu, which can be accessed from the main dashboard. Step 3. Access payout information. In the account settings, look for the section labeled Payout Information or Payment Methods. Click on it to view your current payout destination. Step 4. Update your payout destination. Select the option to edit or update your payout destination. You will need to enter the new payment details such as bank account information or PayPal address. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new payout information, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your payout destination has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily update your payout destination on PlayStation. Make sure to double check your information to avoid any issues with future payments.